Hi there, my name is Vladimir and I'm working in MailSoft company. I'm a data analyst and I used to work in a local bank for 3 years doing data analytics. Now I'm working in my position for 6 months in a gaming company that does free-to-play games. So I had an experience of breaking through into data science because my first education was international relations that is not connected to data science, and my transition was successful and I work for more than 3 years doing data analytics. So I encourage you to listen to my advice in this field and I will give you a plan how to land a data science job in the future. So at first you should understand why do you need that job in data science. Is it hype? Is it money? Or is it success that you want to achieve from a data science job? Or is it your internal interest in the profession? Do you like what do they do in their roles on the regular basis? So data scientists or data analysts or other specialists in data science. So if you know that you really want a job there, decide which job do you want. What kind of role do you want? For example, I have selected a data analytics job that suits me more as I think that, for example, machine learning. After you have selected a job, please research the market and understand what are the main skills for a specialist, for a junior specialist in your role. For example, for data analytic, there are three main important skills: SQL, Excel or Google spreadsheets, and Python. There are other skills that can be really helpful, like visualization tools, Tableau, Looker, and others, and many other skills, but three of them are essential. So when you found what skills are essential to your role, you can start searching a course that can cover at least 50% of the skills that are essential to your profession. The more they cover, the better they are. Of course, you should find courses that are more practical than theoretical. No one wants a theory from junior. They want them to do simple tasks. And if you are very good at practice, you will succeed in your junior job. So what other important aspect of courses can I name? Is it course paid or free? I prefer paid courses because they give me much more motivation to get back the money that I invested in them. Maybe it's not your case, but you should think about it. And one other aspect of selecting a course is how much time does it take to complete it. You should not take a longer courses that last longer than 6 months. I think from 3 to 6 months are the best courses for juniors. Don't try to know everything in your job, future prospect job. Try to know the basics, then find a job and learn from practice. Before starting a course, you can have an updated LinkedIn profile that will help you to land a job while you are working on the course. So update your profile, find people, recruiters, some specialists on that role that you want to pursue in the course, and start growing your LinkedIn connections. Maybe you could try Telegram chats, Telegram groups that are created on the basis of vacancies in the data science fields in your region. However, you should know which opportunities are better for the region where you live. So start applying to jobs when you know the main skills, or at least you completed 70% of the course. When you feel motivated to start job search, when you feel confident in your knowledge, then okay, start a job search, start writing down letters to recruiters, start communicating with hiring managers if they are in your LinkedIn connections. So after you have started writing down to recruiters, some of them will uh, will come back to you and will invite you to participate in interviews. Don't be afraid of interviews. Don't be afraid of bad interviews. They will happen. Bad tests, bad tasks from potential employers will happen. That is normal to have a bad experience. When you have participated in a lot of interviews and a lot of tasks, then you will feel definitely confident in what you know and can have a better interview experience. So I think that 3 to 5 interviews with different companies are enough to land a junior job in my region in Kazakhstan, but I don't know how it is about your region. However, I think for the juniors, it's less knowledge that is needed to land a job, the more is needed a motivation, a mindset, and culture from a person, from a junior that would be suitable for the company. What will help you stand out in the job search process? I think pet projects can really help. Pet projects are something that you pursue on your free time. So you find a dataset on Kaggle or you create your own. You try to think about what project can be helpful to society or what is interesting to you and work on it. And you can showcase your knowledge, what you have learned, the theory on courses on Coursera, Udemy, Udacity, or any other platforms that you have chosen. You can add some additional information like pet projects to stand out into your resume or CV. What about books? Books can really be helpful for you, but I think that they are most important for more senior roles like middle or senior specialist because they are more theoretical, they are more overwhelming. So you should prioritize the easiest achievement, the easiest to achieve goals, the most important skills that you can showcase to your potential employer. And after you're done with it, after you find your first junior job, then you can enhance your knowledge using books, pet projects, and many other techniques. So that was the main information about how to break through into data science. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions on how can I improve this video or what should I do in the next videos, please use the comment section below and please like this video, subscribe if you want to hear more from me.